Hi, I'm JordyT, and this is my crazy acting modeling life in Hollywood. Down the board. Wait. Bye, Los Angeles. Okay, Delta, time to rate your food. Let's try to finish. Very fresh. At least it tastes fresh. That's good. These cashews with pomegranate vanilla flavor are delicious. Fruit. Very juicy and fresh, I assume, as well. I would not mind having breakfast on board of a Delta airplane anytime. However, the Wi-Fi sucks. Costs about $40. Wi-Fi sucks. Look, none of my snaps are sending. I can't go on Facebook. It sucks. Next up is chicken sausage with almond and potato. Looks good. Only issue is the flight attendants don't know if the chicken sausage has pork casing, which is something I don't want to eat. So I'm not sure if I can eat it. I don't eat pork. Oh yeah, you guys probably don't know. I don't eat red meat except for poultry, which is not red meat. Okay. So that's my only issue right now. Alright, enough talking. Let's try the omelet. I approve. This is good. Potato. Very nice. The seasoning is very nice. And the sausage, I'll think about that. Okay, Delta, I love your bagels so much. This is my third bagel of Delta today. There's only one issue, just nothing to do with Delta, just with me. I'm lactose intolerant, which means the cream cheese is gonna make me poop a lot. Also, something really funny I do in my house, wherever I am, Belgium, LA, I collect bottles in my room, so I'll take a bottle every night before I go to bed to have some water next to my bed. Right now I have 3 bottles and a glass of water. It's the best. Have you guys ever seen those tutorials where they're like, oh, I bought on your iPhone, this is how you unbox it or whatever? Well, I'm gonna unbox this. See if I can show you guys properly. Oh, look at that. We have some lip moisturizer and vitamin B5 body lotion. Body lotion for when I'm done showering or when I get out the hot tub on the plane, because they have that. Delta has hot tubs. Oh, and this is some mouthwash. Single serving, it's only for one person. Directions. Oh, how do I do this? How do I use mouthwash? Earplugs for when your neighbor is making too much noise. Socks and like one of those eye patches that you put on to make it dark. We have a tissue. This is tissues. It's 2 tissues rather because it's plural. And then we have a toothbrush with toothpaste, and it's the 3D white looks, which is amazing because it gives you that. Hold on, it says right here, glamorous white smile. A pen. So I can write my name on the seat and be like, Jordy was here. That'd be fun. And there's these amazing headphones that you cannot take home. Sad. And now we're gonna go use the restroom because I have to poop.